Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. This is an impulsive wave for TFUEL and let's see where are we heading. Before we go there, please join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and many more benefits. Also, hit the like button, subscribe and join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. We are in a team that grows together. We help each other every day. So let's go for TFUEL right now, and you can see that the next price target is the 37.7. You can see we had a little bit of a sell pressure, and of course our next one is the 42 to 43. Here we had a fake pump up. You can see that candle, guys, back on 8th July. Then we went down again, and of course we have another resistance going on this top of this candle right there. Okay, so in between the Fibonacci retracement levels, we got one at 40.5. so these are major resistance levels, guys. In case we go upwards, it seems like we can make another swing high right there. Okay, so for now, what is the MACD doing? It is doing great. You can see that we are going all the way upwards. We didn't have any bearish cross right there between the blue line and the signal line, the orange line. Okay, so for now we are going good, and let's go and see the volume a little bit. It is increasing, although it is a pretty low compared to the one that we had back on 10th June. Okay, you can see that back on 23rd and 10th June we had a very high volume, so it is low. It is pretty low right there, but we have the pump up. It is due to the fact that we were in an oversold situation. Bitcoin is pumping, and of course TFUEL is outperforming Bitcoin right now. We will discuss everything. Let's go right now to the 4-hour frame to discuss a little bit about the RSI. You can see that we are on an impulsive wave. That means, guys, we might be going upwards, even though the RSI is above the 70, even though the commodity channel index is above the 100. We are looking good, but of course, guys, you can't be greedy on a bearish market. That means if you have profits, just take them. Okay, just book them out. Don't be greedy on a bearish market. So you can see that the stochastic RSI right there, it is above the 80. We are in an overbought situation with all of the risk metrics above the 70 for the RSI, the 100 for the commodity channel index, and the 80 for the stochastic RSI. So that means, guys, that we have a risk, but in an impulsive wave we don't care, right? And I believe, guys, we can make another swing high right there. I truly believe that, and we can go even further upwards for TFUEL right now. Okay, so let's go a little bit to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we are approaching the top line of the Bollinger Bands on the daily. Okay, so for now we will see afterwards if this is a truly impulsive wave on the mid-term, because it is an impulsive wave on the short term, but we are not sure yet if on the mid-term, on the daily frame, we will have an impulsive wave. Because you can see, guys, when we are having a normal market, if we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we have a huge selling opportunity. That means we expect the price to go down when we approach and go to the top line of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so for now we are going fine. We are doing fantastic for TFUEL in the USDT, and on the daily frame, guys, you can see that the stochastic RSI is above this purple area. This means we have a risk, although the other indexes are not. The commodity channel index is not. The RSI, of course, it is not yet. So according to these indexes, we can go even higher. We had one bullish cross right there between the blue line and the signal line. We are hoping to get it even higher right there. It was good, although it might be not enough to go all the way upwards, and we might correct again in a few days. Okay, so let's see now TFUEL Bitcoin chart, and you can see that we are outperforming Bitcoin. We are almost, actually the TFUEL Bitcoin chart is almost identical to the TFUEL Tether USD we were watching before. Okay, so for now we are going to see an impulsive wave in the short term. You can see this big bullish green candle right there. We might be able to go even higher, although we are in an overbought situation right there. You can see that on the commodity channel index we are in an overbought, on the RSI we are in an overbought. Before we were in an oversold right there, we were beyond the 30 for the RSI, but now we are in an overbought. Actually, now we are near an overbought situation. We can have one more swing high at least. Okay, so it will be good for TFUEL. That means we will break some important resistance levels that we care about and we care for. Okay, so for now the MACD looks great. You can see that it looks identical to the MACD we watched before back on the first minutes of the video. Okay, so for now we are going to TFUEL Bitcoin chart, but on the daily frame. These are some drawings I've made in the past, guys. You can see that the correction we had there was so strong. We had a fake pump up correction again. Now we are having a good, nice pump up for TFUEL Bitcoin chart. We are outperforming Bitcoin, and you can see that we are above the 80 for the stochastic RSI, overbought situation right there, a risk. But according to the commodity channel index and the RSI, we can grow even more. But first we'll look the commodity channel index to see where are we going, and secondly the RSI, because the commodity channel index, if it goes right there, we might correct, and therefore the RSI won't be able to reach the 70 before we correct and go down. Okay, so we are going to make a price analysis and go quickly to the price analysis right there. You can see that we had a little bit actually of a sell pressure right there at 38 cents, almost 37.7. And of course now we are looking forward to see maybe if we can go to 43 around there, or maybe if we can go right here, guys, before where we stopped back at 40.5. You can see that 40.5 cents for TFUEL in Tether USD. So we are hoping maybe we can go in there. I believe, guys, I strongly believe that we can go even higher at 40.5. If you have profits, you can take a small amount to secure that you will take profits. You can't be greedy on a bearish market. And of course, as long as we outperform Bitcoin, we don't depend a lot on it. But of course, we want to see whether Bitcoin will go down or upwards right there. You can see that on the 4-hour frame, Bitcoin is a little bit going crazy, right? You can see that we had a massive huge pump up right there, and of course the RSI went even above the 70. We have a high risk because we are in the top line of the limits for the RSI. You can see we are near the 70 right there. The yellow line is near the 70. You can see that the commodity channel index is also near the 100, and the stochastic RSI is above the 80, was actually above the 80 in these few days, in the previous 2 days and today, and now we are dropping a little bit down. Can we go even higher? Yes, we can, guys. We haven't lost anything yet. However, you should be careful because on the daily frame, we were above the 100, okay? And you can see that on the previous days on the bearish market, when we are going usually above the 100, we just correct right there afterwards. Here the same, guys, back on 8th May, here the same back on 14th June. Yes, we can grow a little bit higher, but of course you should be a little bit careful for now. Okay, so you can see TFUEL is going upwards right there, and it looks good even to surpass the 37.8. Next price target, the 40.5. 42.7. I will always say that, guys, do not be greedy on a bearish market and always secure your profits. When you take profits, you are never a loser. Even if the price goes higher, you will have your profits in your pocket. Okay, so you are actually you are having benefits, guys, from this. Even if the price goes higher, do not say that you lost something. The only way to lose something is when you sell in a loss. Okay, so for now, I believe you should take some profits in case you have, and of course wait a little bit till we go even higher. In my personal humble opinion, we are going to 40.5 and maybe 42.7. We will see about that. Join our monthly subscription, guys. Link is in the description down below to get easy profits. Join our Telegram group chat. Link is also in the description down below, and hit the like button, subscribe. if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.